Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video we have studied there are two type of antigens, self-antigen and non-self antigens. Let me just give you a quick revision. Self-antigens are the one which are located on the surface of a cell and making a cell as a self cell so that immune system does not attack it. And in human, the most important self-antigens which are present as MHC protein means major histocompatibility protein, or you can say vertebrate immune system has the ability to distinguish self from non-self because of these genes, and these genes which are closely linked known as MHC genes. Is it clear? And in human we call these genes as HLA genes located on chromosome 6. Now how many types of MHC? See, there are two classes of MHC molecule which are involved in adaptive immunity. One is MHC1, another is MHC2. MHC1 is present on all nucleated cell. They present normal self-antigen as well as they are, you can say it is present on all nucleated body cell except RBC. Please understand RBC is not nucleated, so MHC1 will not be present on RBC. Now, MSC2 is present only on APC, antigen presenting cell. And the antigen presenting cell are macrophage, dendritic cell, or B cell. What they are doing, they are presenting the abnormal or non-self pathogen to activate the T cell. Clear? So this is MSC1 which is present, as well as MSC2 is present, means these special immune cell means they are antigen presenting cell. They will have two type of MHC. Is it clear? MHC1 is present on all nucleated cell, but MHC2 is present only on specialized immune cell. Now you see the diagram here. This is MHC1. And if you see this MHC1, antigen binding cleft is made by domain alpha 1 and alpha 2. You can see the diagram. Clear? And alpha 3 is the one which is embedded with the phospholipid bilayer. Beta 2 microglobulin, it is not attaching to the phospholipid. But in case of MHC2, you can check carefully. It is antigen binding site is made by alpha 1 and beta 1. Clear, beta? Here, how many types of, in MHC1, how many types of alpha are there? 3 types. 1, 2, and 3. But who is making the continuity? Continuity is by 2 and 3. But who is making the antigen binding site? That is by 1 and 2. Clear, beta? And here, it is made by alpha 1 and beta 1 are making antigen binding cleft, but alpha 2 and beta 2, they are connected to the cell membrane, and these are present on macrophage, dendritic cell, and B cell. So I hope so. This much topic might be easy for you. Ki MHC are major histocompatibility complex which present on the cell membrane of all nucleated cell or few antigen presenting cell work as self antigen. So I hope so this video might be helpful for you. And still if any query is there, then please mention in the comment. I'll try to help.